Hello everyone, we will start by solving the question 8 of the Cambridge IGCSE 2019 exam. The diagram shows 5 cards. Donald chooses a card at random. Write down the probability that the number of dots on this card is an even number. Here we have 3, not an even number, and here we have 2, 4, 2 and 2. All of this are even numbers and their number is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, meaning that the probability is 4 over 5. 4 is the number of even number and 5 is the number of all of them. We now move to this question. Write down the probability that the number of dots on this card is a prime number. Here we have 3, which is the prime number, and here 2, which is also the prime number, and here we have 4, which is not the prime number, and here we have 2, which is a prime number. So our prime number is 4 out of 5. We now move to this question. Find the probability that the total number of dots is 5. Here we have 3 conditions, which are that Donald chooses 2 cards and without replacement, and the total number of dots is 5. Here we have 3, 2, and 3 plus 2 equal 5. And here we have 3, 4, and 3 plus 4 is not equal 5, meaning that Donald must choose a card with 3 dots and a card with 2 dots on it. This means that he chose a card with 3 dots and there is 1 card with 3 points out of 5. This means 1 over 5. And choose a card with 2 dots and there are 3 cards with 2 dots out of 4. This means 3 over 4. Or he first choose a card with 2 dots and then choose a card with 3 dots out of 4. And in this way we have obtained the answer. We now move to this question. Find the probability that the total number of dots is an odd number. He can choose 3 and 2 because their sum equal 5, odd number. He can also choose 3 and 4 because their sum equal 7, odd number. Now we will begin. If he choose 3, then there is 3 only 1 time out of 5. This means 1 over 5. And he will now choose 2. There is 2 only 3 times. This means 3 over 4. Or he can first start by choose the 2. There is 2 3 times out of 5. This means 3 over 5. And he will choose 3. There is 3 1 time out of 4. This means 1 over 4. Or he will choose 3. There is 3 1 time. This means 1 over 5. And after that he will choose 4. There is 4 1 time. This means 1 over 4. Or he will first choose 4. There is 4 1 time out of 5. And after that he will choose 3. There is 3 1 time. This means 1 over 4. And in this way we have obtained the final answer.